Hey guys, this is Jesse with JTS Woodworking, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a simple shelf to hold all your stains and all your finishes. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so I started by cutting this piece of 3/4 inch plywood down into 5.5 inch strips. I believe I got 5 strips out of it. Now this would be to make up the shelves and the sides of the shelves. Here I'm just cutting the shelves to the same width using a stop block there. And now this would be the side, and I'm measuring where I want each shelf to be. I'm putting a mark there. That would be the other side of the shelf, and now I'm putting them together, butting them up, and transferring those lines so it all stays even and parallel. Now I'm drilling pocket holes in the shelves. And I'm securing one side of the shelf to one side, and I'm just putting them on those lines with a little bit of glue, clamping them down so they stay flush with the edge. Here's an angled shelf for spray paint and stuff like that. Once I secure all those down with pocket screws, now I'm putting a little bit of glue on the other side, and it's just about lining up the marks on the other side with the shelves, clamping it down so that it sits where I want it, and then just driving in those screws. Alright, there's the frame of it. I'm actually going to put a backer on it. So I got this thin piece of board here. I'm actually marking where it lines up with the shelves because I'm going to flip it over, glue it, and nail it, and I need to know where to nail it. I'm cutting this board down to size, just a real thin piece of board just to give it a backer. Applying the glue for that board. Now I flipped it over so I can see the lines I drew, and now I know exactly where to put the brad nails. Alright, looks good. Now I'm cutting the French cleat with a piece of scrap wood here. Just cutting it at a 45, drilling some holes to mount it. Countersink those holes so that the screws can sit down in there and be flush. Driving the screws in, and I'm also going to put some blocks on the bottom of this shelf to keep the bottom right here, to keep the bottom from, to keep it parallel with the wall. Alright, now I'm hanging the other side of the French cleat. This French cleat system works really nice because you can just take this thing on and off as you will. And now it's time to load it up. Sorry, I got a little out of focus there. There we go. This really saves a lot of space. It just keeps everything more organized, and I'm really glad I finally built this thing. Alright guys, so that's it. Now this was a very simple build, but it's a very beneficial build for me because I was looking for a way to store my stains and finishes and my spray paint, and this just works so well to hang it up on the wall there. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please leave it a like, please comment, and please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.